Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to do folded surprise drawings. So all you're gonna need is 3 pieces of paper, 1 for each drawing, a pencil, an eraser, and some colors. So let's get started. So first let's start off by folding our paper. I have my first piece of paper and I have it vertically and I'm gonna fold it in half. Then I'm gonna fold it in half again and I'm gonna take just one side of the paper and fold it up till it meets the top. Then I'm gonna flip my paper over and I'm gonna do the same thing with this side. I'm gonna fold it down. So when you open your paper, it should look like this. Now I'm just gonna do these folds on my other 2 papers and I'll be right back. So I folded all 3 of my papers, but I only need 1 right now, so I'm gonna put the other 2 to the side. So start with your paper like this, and you wanna be drawing on something hard, and you're just going to fold it like this. And then with the fold under here, you can just fold it down on this side, or you can fold it down on this side. It doesn't really matter, whichever way works best. So I'm just gonna have my paper like this, flat, ready to start drawing. So the first drawing I'm doing today is a fish. I'm gonna start by taking my pencil and I'm going to draw the fish's body by doing an oval. And so when I come to the line where the paper has been folded, I'm just gonna be careful and continue it down. Now I'm gonna do the tail. It's kind of like a triangle shape, but I'm gonna add a little bit of curve. So I'm gonna curve right here, and I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. And I'm gonna come up, and I'm gonna make a big kind of triangle, but there's not gonna be a point here. So that's my tail. And make sure you're doing this lightly because you can go in and erase and kind of change the shapes a little bit. So for example, right now, instead of making this completely straight, I'm gonna add a bit more of curves to the ends. Just so it's not straight, and then I'm gonna erase this line. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a top fin and a bottom fin. So let's start with the bottom fin. It's going to, again, kind of be like a triangle shape, but I'm just gonna do it like this. I'm gonna start from about the middle of the oval, the body, and I'm going to do a kind of curved-ish line down, and then I'm going to do a curved line inward that meets the oval. So that's my fish's bottom fin, and I'm going to add some lines to this. Now I'm going to do the top fin. So I'm going to do a curved line starting about right here. I'm going to do a curved line that way. And then I'm going to do a small curved line here, and I'm going to keep repeating that. And then I'm going to do a curved line inward here. And where I made these curved lines at these points, I'm going to put some lines. So the other thing I'm going to do is add some lines to my tail right now. So next, I'm going to show you how I'm going to do the lips. I'm just going to do some half circles and you'll see what it looks like. So they're not complete half circles, so when they come together, they kind of look like a heart. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a line here, and I'm going to do the same thing for this lip. Next, let's do the eye. So I'm just going to do a nice circle here. And you can draw your eyes however you want. It's just how I'm doing it. And I'm going to do 2 circles inside. And I'm just going to shade that in because later I'm going to color it in black. So the other thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to do a half circle here, and that's just going to be the face of the fish. And then this part, you can add whatever designs you want to add. I think I'm just going to do some curved lines. Now it's time for the surprise portion of this drawing. So now I'm just going to open up the paper, and you'll see now we have this big space that has nothing in it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to continue my lines down. I'm going to try my best. It can even be different. You can make it silly and fun, but I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. So I'm going to start with this line over here, and I'm just going to continue it down and connect it to that line. Now I'm going to continue my tail down, and I'm going to do those same curvy lines that I was doing before. And so on and so forth. I'm just going to connect the rest of these lines to the opposite side. Make sure that you avoid drawing on the crease line at the very top and the very bottom, because that will show when you fold up the drawing again. Now I'm going to fix up this mouth a bit. So I'm going to do a big curved line here, and that's going to be the inside of the mouth. And to make this drawing fun, I'm going to add some nice sharp teeth at the bottom and the top. And now I'm going to draw a very, very tiny fish. I'm going to try to do it symmetrically with this crease right here. And I'm just going to do a kind of triangle shape and an oval shape, the same as we really drew this fish, but nice and tiny. So I just added an eye, and I did some gills and some designs to my fish. Doesn't really matter how you do it. Now it's time to color it. I'm going to color mine, and I'll be right back. So this is my drawing folded, and now I'm going to unfold it. Now let's move on to the next drawing. So I have my folded paper again, and I'm just going to have it like this. And now we're going to draw an egg hatching. So we're going to start off with an oval again, but we're going to make it an egg shape. And now we're ready for the surprise. The first thing I'm going to do is make it look like the egg broke. So I'm going to continue down this line just a little bit, and I'm going to do zigzags to make it look like the egg has cracked open. And I'm going to do the same for the bottom. Now I'm going to draw a big chick. So the first thing I'm going to do is draw the head. I'm going to start from about here, this point, to this point, and I'm going to do a nice half circle. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw nice big eyes. I'm going to do it using ovals. And I'm going to make these eyes a little bit different. So I'm going to do like that. And then I'm going to add a pupil to the eyes. So I've done small circles by the pupil, and that's going to be white highlights. It will look less creepy when I color it in. Now I'm going to draw the beak. So for the beak, I'm just going to do a nice big triangle here in the middle. And now I'm going to do the body. So I'm going to go from about here, and I'm going to do a curved line down like that. And I'm going to do the same on the other side. So now from the middle, I'm going to draw some toes on each side. So from this side, I'm going to do 2 half circles like that, and those will be toes. And I'm going to do the same thing over here. Next thing I'm going to do is draw some wings. So I'm going to do a triangular shape, but it's going to be rounded. And I'm going to make the wings kind of come inward like that. Next, what I'm going to do is I don't want these lines to be too straight because the chick has fur. So I'm going to do a few kind of jagged lines around to make it look textured. I'm also going to add some nostrils to the beak. Now I'm just going to color it. So this is the drawing folded, and this is it unfolded. Now let's move on to the next drawing. So now I'm going to draw a unicorn with a rainbow shooting out of its mouth. I'm going to start at the top here, and I'm just going to do a line like this. And I'm going to continue that just a little bit up and then curve it like that. Now I'm going to continue this line right here down a bit. And I'm going to continue this line, and I'm going to do a little bit of a curve up like this. Now this line right here, I'm going to go down, and that is going to be a neck. And from here, I'm going to curve, and that's going to be neck. Now this is just going to be unicorn head, and since this neck is too long, I'm just going to cut it off right about here. Now I'm going to do a half circle right here going down. And at the top part here, I'm going to add a nostril. I'm also going to put a line here. Next, I'm going to do an eye. I'm going to do a circle right here. And I'm going to do 2 circles inside, like I did before. And this part will be black. I'm also going to add some eyelashes. Next, I'm just going to add an ear right about here. Then I'm going to add a smaller kind of horn right at the top of the head. And then I'm going to draw some hair and the mane. So I'm going to do a curved line here, like that. And this is going to just be one little piece of hair. I'm going to curve that down. And then for the mane, I'm going to do a small curved line here, ending right at the crease. I'm going to do some more curved lines, make it a little squiggly. And then over here, I'm going to do a nice big mane. And I'm just gonna make that a little bit curvy. So now what I'm going to do is erase the lines that I don't need. So I'm gonna erase these lines, through here. I'm also going to, from right here, continue a line down. Now it's time for the surprise part. So I'm going to do a line right here, and then I'm going to connect the mouth down. And I'm going to do a curved line, and I'm also going to put it in a bit more in. I'm not going to go straight down. I'm going to go like that. Next thing I'm going to do is continue the mane. I'm going to connect this line to this line, this line to this line, and I'm just going to do curvy lines. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw curvy lines coming out of the mouth. There's 7 colors in the rainbow, so I'm going to try to do 7. First thing I'm going to do is starting from the middle. I'm going to do a curved line like that. And that's going to be 1, and then I can have 3 on each side. Lastly, I'm just going to add some small little teeth, not scary teeth. And now I'm just going to color it in. Here's my drawing folded, and here's my drawing unfolded. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You can apply this technique to many other drawings. So I hope you have fun making even more folded surprise drawings. See you next time.